There's a second set of technical signals that also helped me kind of confirm that that was a good place to sell. This is what we call a continuation chart. It's the monthly high, low, and close on the nearby futures contract. It actually goes back to 1990. And you can see this line across here, and I call that also a resistance plane, and sometimes it's a support plane. So if you look across history, it came up to that 1050 area and stopped here, came down to the 1050 area and stopped here, it came up and stopped there, it came down again. There was a whole bunch of movement around it here. It charged down and tried to reach it here again. It stopped for a little bit here again. Then it became a resistance plane again. So several times that 1050 has been a really, really significant area. And there it is. It's happening on the continuation chart as well as on the nearby daily chart. If you're interested in our futures and options or our risk management program, you are welcome to come to our website, which is agri-foodtraining.com. It will have more information on the program, and the registration forms are there for you to fill out.